Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. I have to remove background from a photo in CapCut. So CapCut is not only a video editor but also a photo editor. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just scroll up, right? Scroll up, you're gonna see the options right here. You're gonna see the last option at the bottom left, remove background. Click on it. Basically, you can select the photo that you want to remove the background from. Let's say, for example, something like this, right? So I'm gonna hit edit at the bottom right here. Okay, basically right here, after you click edit, you're gonna see right here allow to your photos, and there the process of removing the background right here is successfully done. And basically after you finish, just go ahead and hit export at the top right, and you're gonna see your official photo after removing the background. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.